channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I eat in a day, and I hope this is a fun video for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, make sure to like down below. Don't forget to subscribe and join the family. We are almost at 600 subscribers, which is absolutely insane to me, so thank you guys so very much for everything you guys have done for me. And yeah, I am hopefully gonna have a surprise for you guys soon, but we'll see. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I love you all so very much. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shelby, and welcome to my channel. If you're not new, thank you so much for sticking around. I'm so happy to see you guys again. And yeah, without further ado, let's get on to the video. Alright guys, so let's start off this what I eat in a day video. So firstly, I decided to have some oatmeal and strawberries for this day, and I actually just made this oatmeal and brown sugar, and I also had some strawberries, washed them up and cut them and put them on top. They're so good. And then I also took some granola and yogurt and put that together. And then I also found this copycat recipe for a pink drink, which is not really a pink drink, it's more of a violet drink, but it's still really good, and it's not as sweet as the Starbucks version, which is super nice. So I just kind of put that together, pre-made it, and then put in some coconut milk, which was super good, and it wasn't sweetened, so it was just the right balance of sweetness and like bitterness, but it's not bitter. So I ended up having that for breakfast, and just some granola, yogurt, oatmeal, strawberries, and my copycat violet drink recipe. So for lunch that day, I also decided to put together a bunch of things. If you guys have seen my TikTok healthy eating foods thing, that's where this recipe comes in. So I cut up some tomatoes, put that on a sun-dried tomato wrap with some arugula, spinach, and a little bit of turkey, and then some white cheddar cheese. And then I had that with some pretzel goldfish. And then I had tacos for dinner because I forgot to film. So then I also, the next day, I had a pink drink with some avocado toast. So I cut up some avocados and then saved half of it, and then put some paprika, cayenne pepper, crushed red pepper, and then some everything but the bagel seasoning, and had that with some mangoes. It was really good. And then for lunch, I used the other half of the avocado with some ham or turkey, and then white cheddar with some tomatoes, and it was super good, and I had those with some veggie straws. It was perfect balance, and it wasn't too much, but it wasn't too little. And then for dinner, I had some pizza because it was National Pizza Day. And yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to like down below. Please don't forget to subscribe. I can't speak today. Don't forget to subscribe and join the family, because I love to see you around. And I love all of you so very much. So thank you so much again. And I will see you guys in my next video. And I love you all so very much. Mwah! Bye!